Reservoirs, waterworks and a family walk. We're going back in time on Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, we're back on the easy walks. We're going to be taking on the Tai Tam Waterworks Heritage Trail. It's about 5k. We're starting at Park View. How are you feeling today on this lovely day?
I'm ready for this. I've got enough sleep.
Okay, it should be a fairly simple one. It'll be downhill most of the way. Lots of history to look at and some fantastic views. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. For our last walk in this series, we start at Park View and take the Tai Tam Reservoir Road up to the turn-off for the Tai Tam Family Trail. Here, we leave the road and start a climb behind the Park View Towers. Soon into the walk, we find we are not alone. So we have a wild boar right here. He's staring us down because I think he has a young one with us, so you've got to be careful with these ones, making sure we don't come close. But yeah, beautiful. The family walk takes a detour off the main attraction, but affords some great views over the reservoirs en route. The downside is to get those views, a little work is needed. Well, I promised Muloy it's all downhill today, and now we're climbing. We opted to go for the family trail. You can just go down the road, but it's just taking us off the concrete onto a nice trail that will hopefully bring us back to the same place we would have got to anyway. The Tai Tam Waterworks Heritage Trail takes you on a 5-kilometre walk during which you visit 21 of the historic waterworks sites. Water was a real problem during the years of Hong Kong's rapid growth. Although the territory has substantial rainfall during the summer months, it had few facilities for containing the water. Work started in this area in the 19th century to build a series of reservoirs which continued to expand during the 20th century. Well, we're just coming to our first viewing platform, and this is the great advantage of coming on the family trail. Look at this, an absolutely beautiful view from here, and we can see the different reservoirs below. So these are the reservoirs that we're going to be looking at, and the waterworks along the Heritage Trail. What a view. Hard work done. From the viewpoint, it's a slow descent through a series of reservoirs, one spilling down to the other. As we come off the family trail, we arrive at the first of the 21 monuments, a masonry bridge. So the 5-kilometre trail begins with markers and descriptions at each of the sites along the way. What's very hard to believe is walking through this park is that you're on Hong Kong Island and not out in the new territory somewhere. It feels very remote from start to finish. Once you leave the security of Park View, you're really into an area where you don't see any buildings hardly at all unless you put the drone way up. Quite beautiful, eh?
Yeah. It's like an old bridge.
The signposts help keep you on track, as does one boundary marker for the old city of Victoria. Also look out for the colourful fish in the reservoirs you pass over on the way down to Tai Tam Dam, which you drop below. Well, if you don't take the family trail at the very start, then pretty well all of this is along concrete. If that's something that you enjoy, that's great. If you want to avoid the concrete, then maybe this walk is not for you. But it's easy going, right? It's not too difficult at all.
No, it's easy, like absolutely. For the most part, it's flat.
Or downhill.
Oh, downhill, yeah.
Yeah.
Which I hate, but it isn't tough.
Yeah, it's not too steep. Very pleasant walk, lots of fantastic views, and we've now got about probably about another kilometre to go to finish off. We've already done 7 kilometers, so we've covered some ground and we've not got to the end yet.
The final stretch takes you along the bottom of Tai Tam Reservoir for a unique look at this magnificent structure. Getting out takes a bit of work to climb up the other side and onto Tai Tam Road, where you can find buses to Chai Wan, Shao Kei Wan and Stanley in the opposite direction.
Well, that's the end of our episode. We've done about 8 kilometers so far. How's it been for you, Muloy?
Easy. I think I didn't break a sweat at all, did I?
It's been quite interesting. I mean, look at this structure behind us here. We've got this pretty well the whole way around, all these Victorian ancient waterworks of structures of different kinds, but quite nice actually. We got into it by the end. Now if you're finding this for the first time, you can find all of our previous episodes nicely catalogued on droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. Just search it out. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Muloy.
And this is Drone and Phone.